today, me and my wife are going to be turning this space into this. But before we do that, we got to build it first. So let's go build it. Now let's build this.
Don't forget your eye ear protection.
There. Now we... So, little error, forgot one shelf, didn't count properly. So now I'm going to cut out another shelf before we continue, because that's definitely needed. Otherwise, this will just not look right. So let's go ahead and get that done real quick. Okay. That's how that's done. So far, this is all we could get done. It's really hot. Things are going not as planned, so we're going to take a break. We are going to try to finish this today. We'll see. But break time. This is definitely taking longer than expected, so I don't think we're going to finish today. So if you just see a random cut to the finished part, that's just how it's going to be. It's the next day. We went ahead, got ourselves some new tools, or tool, I should say. Got a nice electric sander. I'm going to test out sanding a piece and staining it to see if we like that, because the next step that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start sanding and staining everything before we finish putting it together, because at this point it's pretty easy. So we're going to go ahead and sand something first and then stain it, see how we like it, and go from there. Alright, so as we're finishing up building everything, we're also trying to figure out how to finish it. We already tried doing just stain. That didn't look right. Then my wife said, let's try burning it. So we have one side that's raw, unsanded, that we burned. Doesn't quite look right. We sanded this side, burned it, and then put the stain on it. And that looks really, really nice. So I think we're on to something here. If you did make it this far in the video, I appreciate it. This project did take a lot longer than expected. It took a total of 3 days. And yeah, it was a lot harder than expected. Obviously, you plan things out and, you know, it doesn't go quite as planned. But thanks so much for watching. That's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.